Hi friends, it's me, Miss Leslie from the Post Road Library, back with another Family Quest Challenge. It's almost the first day of spring, and all of the beautiful blooms and blossoms and buds on the trees and bushes outside are getting me very excited for spring. I don't know about you, but spring is my favorite season. And before all of the leaves come in, now is a great time to see birds' nests in the trees. I'm going to insert some video here of a few birds' nests that I saw outside today at the Post Road Library. And here is a bird nest, a real bird's nest that fell out of a tree at my house this year. But I thought it would be fun for us for our Family Quest Challenge to make our own bird nest out of materials you probably have at home right now. For this craft, you are going to need a brown paper lunch bag and a bunch of materials that you can find in your yard, such as dried grass, some pine straw, twigs, leaves. Okay, let's get started. So I think the easiest way to get started is to take a brown paper lunch sack, open it up, and roll it down. And you've got your basic bird nest shape, just like that. Now you'll see on a real bird nest how it starts with the heavier, thicker pieces around the outside. So let's do that first. We'll take some twigs and we might need to bend them a bit or break them to fit inside our bag. If you're older and don't want to use a bag, you could try weaving your sticks without the bag. But that's a little more complicated. That's a pretty advanced bird nesting technique. So I'm just gonna lay my sticks in the base here. Just like that, coming together nicely. Ooh, look at this pretty stick I found. This twig has lichen or moss on the outside of it. I want to use some of that in my bird nest because it's pretty. Maybe the thicker pieces around the outside. Okay, now let's layer in some straw. These will be so pretty to decorate your house with for spring. Maybe a little bit of pine straw. When you're all done, you can put some eggs in your bird nest. I am going to use some peanut M&Ms that look like robin eggs. 1, 2, 3. Look how pretty that is. Okay friends, that is our do-it-yourself bird's nest. It's so cute, isn't it? Can't you see decorating your house for spring with one of these? And don't tell anybody visiting your house that it's actually a candy egg, and then you can walk up and take one and say, hey guys, look what I found. I found an egg outside. And they will be fooled, so it could be a fun little April Fool's trick too. Oh, these eggs are delicious. Don't mind if I do. Okay guys, see you next time.